No perfect curls are needed for this hairstyle today. A half-up bun in just a few minutes. You'll need a thin ponytail holder and 3 bobby pins. So let's go. Here's my hair part for today. The front half is parted to the side, and no combs are needed here. It's just a simple gathering of the curls from both sides and taking care to avoid separating curl clumps, which could cause frizz. I'm leaving down some of the hair in the middle to help create more volume at the bottom while still keeping the bun lightweight on top. Pull forward a few loose curls in front of the ears to soften the look. Next, secure the ponytail with a thin ponytail holder above eye level to give your bun enough height near the crown of your head. Once the ponytail is in place, check all sides, add some hairspray or any finishing touches on the top and sides before you begin the bun. Loosely twist the length of your ponytail and wrap it around the ponytail holder to create a spiral bun. Next, pull out the twists lightly to the side to widen and flatten the bun. Secure the bun with at least 3 bobby pins right through the middle of the twist rather than at the far edges of the bun. This helps to conceal those bobby pins and secure the innermost weight of the bun. Refresh the bottom curls as needed or rock your curls as they are. No perfect curls are needed to have a great hair day. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you next time.